Hello, my name is Craig Resnick. I'm a Vice President of the ARC Advisory Group, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to our podcast today, which is entitled Strong Industrial Automation Distributors and Partner Networks Are Essential for Digital Transformation of Industry. Today we're featuring Schneider Electric and Rexel India. For industrial manufacturers, the role of industrial automation distributors and a partner ecosystem has never been more important or critical than it is today, where the only market certainty is actually uncertainty. There's an urgency for industrial manufacturing companies to modernize their operating practices and technologies to successfully compete in today's dynamic and continuously evolving marketplace. These companies are progressing at different rates on their digital transformation journey, but due to a combination of the high level of complexity of those projects, plus the lack of an experienced workforce due to retirements and cutbacks or inability to fill positions with qualified personnel, the companies that have been the most successful are the ones who have best leveraged their industrial automation distributors and partner ecosystem as trusted advisors. Just as how industrial manufacturers must rapidly progress on their digital transformation journey, so do the industrial automation distributors and the partner ecosystem, who face similar challenges with regard to technology advancement and digital transformation, including workforce reskilling, talent management, training, supply chain resilience, and technology specialization. Just as industrial manufacturers depended on their industrial automation distributors and partner ecosystem to be their trusted advisors, who actually are the trusted advisors for the industrial automation distributors and the partner ecosystem to help them rapidly progress on their digital transformation journey. This has led Schneider Electric to develop its Alliance Partner Program that provides these services to its industrial automation distributors and partner ecosystem, which to not only help to ensure the short and long-term viability and success of their industrial automation distributors and partner ecosystem, but also to create growing demand for its solutions and products by industrial manufacturers because of the services and support that go along with those solutions and products, thanks to its industrial automation distributors and partner ecosystem. There's no better place to learn about the Schneider Electric Alliance Partner Program than to speak to Rakesh Jain, who is the CEO of Rexel India, one of Schneider Electric's key industrial automation distributors, as well as Amit Bhatia, who is a distribution channel director at Schneider Electric. Please join me in welcoming Rakesh and Amit. Thanks so much for being here today. A pleasure to have you both, and really look forward to our discussion. I'm going to start off with Amit. Could you please tell us a bit about your role at Schneider Electric and the Alliance Partner Program, and how is this program designed to elevate and provide more differentiation with the role of the Alliance Industrial Automation Distributor to be the trusted and credible advisor to their end user customers?
Sure, Craig. Thanks a lot for organizing this. It's a pleasure to be with you and Rakesh from Rexel India on this podcast. I'll start off with a brief introduction about myself. So I'm working in the Industrial Automation Business Unit of Schneider Electric as Distribution Channel Director. In this role, I'm responsible for overall IA distribution channel strategy and also for the Alliance Industrial Automation Distribution Program globally. I've been with Schneider for the last 10 years in various commercial roles and in various geographies. Now, coming to the Alliance IAD program, we have designed the Alliance program with a very customer-centric mindset with the objective to make our industrial automation distributors work autonomously, fulfill the needs of their customers with our products and solutions. Now, in this program, we have actually designed it with 6 key pillars. The first one is on Specialize, where we support our partners to build their expertise on their core markets, where we recognize their focus and help serve their customers. The second pillar is on Expand, which is designed to unlock the future business potential of our partners through our advanced specializations. Now, both these pillars are actually elevated on the foundation of the trainings. And this is where we have the third pillar, which is Elevate, where our objective is to build higher sales and technical competencies at our partner teams. Then we have the fourth pillar of the program, which is related to differentiate. And this we are driving through our marketing and promotion initiatives to elevate the positioning of our IDs in front of our OEMs and end user customers. With on the fifth pillar, which is focused on digitized, it is focused and designed to improve the online presence and enable digital engagement of our partners with their customers. And the sixth pillar is on convert, where we want to accelerate the growth by leveraging our common data capital to help in the customer satisfactions. So these are the six key pillars on which we have designed the alliance program, ultimately to help our alliance partners serve their customers in the best way possible.
Well, certainly, Amit, those pillars are certainly key to the entire program. So now, as I shift to Rakesh, please tell us a bit about your organization and the Alliance Partner Program, and how does this program, how it's helped you explore new areas of growth and differentiation for your business in the markets that you serve.
Thank you, Amit, and thank you, Craig. Let me start with my introduction. I heads India business as CEO for Rexel India. Rexel India is part of 19 billion euro Rexel Group, headquartered in Paris, France. Rexel India started its operation in India way back in 2011-2012 with major focus on industrial automation in the western part of the country. We started our relationship with Schneider India as industrial automation distributor in 2017 with one location in North India. Today, we are partnered with Schneider at 8 locations, mainly in north and eastern part of the country. We have fantastic growth together, expanding beyond industrial automation to one Schneider distributor, offering vast portfolio of products, solution and services to our customers. Rexel India became first master industrial automation distributor of Schneider in year 2020, a remarkable achievement for Rexel, which makes us proud. And we were the first industrial automation distributor who was recognized as master distributor of Schneider. Alliance Partner Program has helped us to differentiate with other general distributors, adopting consultative sales approach during pre-sales to post-sales journey, developing technical competence and capabilities to offer value-driven sales than just a box mover, customizing bill of material solution as per customer needs and budget. Alliance Partner Program, as Amit said, has provided us the specialization, and at the same time we have grown along with Schneider multifold in last few years, and all the 6 pillars rightly fits into our journey.
Well, that's great, Rakesh, because it is just seeing how your company has been so successful, kind of following the 6 pillars, which. So now let me go back to Amit. Undoubtedly, as a industrial distributor, to become a member of the Alliance Partner Program, specializing in solutions aiding customers, with industrial automation expertise is certainly crucial. Could you share the recent developments in the Alliance Partner Program related to building competencies in key areas of specialization within the strategic growth areas? Like what are the benefits that distributors such as Rexel India can anticipate from this?
Great. So Craig, you have touched upon one of the most important part of the program, which is specializations. So I'll first start off with the core specializations that we have designed in the program. We have 2 core specialization, which is EcoStruxure machine and EcoStruxure plant specialization. With EcoStruxure machine specialization, it is for IDs who are focusing on OEM customers to help improve their performance, efficiency, and build next generation of machines. So our IDs with this core specializations are very well positioned to serve OEM customers in various applications like pumping, HVAC, hoisting, packaging, and many others. Then with the plant specialization, these are for IDs which have expertise to support customers, end users, and SIs in various domains, segments such as triple W, FNB, and others. Ultimately, their focus is to help their customers achieve superior project execution and operational efficiency. Now, to enable these core specializations, we have designed the training pathways for both sales and technical experts at our IIDs. Additionally, our IID partners, industrial automation distributors, also benefit from the customer-centric positioning that we do with our marketing and sales enablement assets to showcase their expertise. Now, this was on the core specialization. When it comes to advanced topics, we have also explored certain opportunity areas for our IDs in the market. And to help them explore that, we have defined 5 advanced specialization. I'll briefly touch upon them. The first one is on EcoStruxure software, which is to help our IDs which have software as a key component of their growth strategy. So this is the first advanced specialization to enable them to support our distributors. The second one is on motion and robotics, where we help our partners find opportunities in motion and robotics, and specifically with cobot offers in the market, and help them develop deep expertise around targeted applications and segments where they can serve the customers. Then we have drive solution as a third advanced specialization, which is positioned to grow the drive system business with our partners. And here our partners also leverage upon the other partners in the ecosystem like SIs to win the market, and they have strong motor management capabilities. The fourth one is on advanced services, where our partners are oriented to sell high-end services, ultimately positioning them as trusted advisors for the end customers. And the last but not the least is sustainability advanced specialization, which enables our IDs to showcase how automation can help unlock both sustainability together with OpEx gains. So these are the core and the advanced specializations that are an integral part of the Alliance IDD Boost program. Now, when you talk about the benefits, to take an example with Rexel India, which is situated in a rapidly growing market and with vast future opportunities, the company is focusing on advanced services and software to drive growth. And therefore, the specializations actually benefit Rexel and Schneider customers by leveraging the expert knowledge to support on their projects with optimal solutions and services.
Amit, those specializations are so key. So now let me turn back to Rakesh. With the focus on the advanced specializations that Amit covered very well, how do you see the benefit of specializations, and what does it bring to your business?
When it comes to the advanced specialization, and as Amit mentioned, that it requires the technical competencies. It requires beyond the box mover. It requires the mindset of industrial automation. It requires the know-how of the industry and know-how of the entire value chain. For that, what we have done is in past few years, we have developed in-house technical competencies. We have Schneider trained engineers with us, the technical engineers with us, who understands the customer requirement. And in last few years, we are quite successful in OEM conversions with multiple proof of concepts of product and technical offering of Schneider. And going beyond that, while we have developed our own team of technical engineers, we also join hands with associated system integrators. We launched a program, Associate System Integrator, which we call ASI internally, keeping in mind the specialization and domain expertise of the system integrator in growth segments like water and wastewater, CPG, packaging, etc. We have onboarded 10 ASIs so far and intended to expand the partner network further to new age industries like data center, EV, renewable energy. This ecosystem of Schneider, Rexel, and ASIs work together to offer end-to-end solution, post-sale support, and services as a team. The idea is that to To serve our customer better, we need to have the industry specific expertise, and Rexel alone or Schneider together can't do that. And that's where we have onboarded this industry specific expertise, which comes in a way of ASIs, and we together help our customer to provide a solution.
Yeah, Rakesh. I mean that industry expertise is so key. And now, Amit, how does Schneider Electric support distributors such as Rexel India in upskilling their teams and staying ahead to better enable and equip their customers?
Yes. So, Craig, here the first important thing is that while designing the program, we listen to our alliance distributors. We listen to our customers because we wanted to cater to the needs of the market. And therefore, we designed a program which can answer the customer needs. And we did significant enhancement in our training program for both sales and technical experts. Now, aligned with our program, we have dedicated pathways, both for our core specialization for both sales and technical experts. Also, we have specific curriculum for each of our advanced specializations that I mentioned earlier. Along with that, we have made some enhancements with consultative selling and solution selling trainings that we are also opening for our partners. Now, the program also embeds various in-classroom sessions, which are also available to the team of our partners. And then overall, we continue to further invest in enhancing our program. We constantly listen to our customers and to our partners to bring new trainings, which are aligned to the changing needs of the market. So this is overall the way we are moving forward because we consider training is one of the most important element for this overall program.
Amit, it's really so critical that the amount of that to go forward with this training, because I think a lot of times you see companies kind of skimp on that, and I think it's really great that you put so much emphasis on the training. Rakesh, it sounds like the combination of new core and advanced specialization benefits and the tools supported by the program have enabled you to deliver more value add to your customers. So could you give us a few examples of how you manage the ecosystem and what are some of the key success factors and capabilities that you've leveraged to be successful?
I think Amit spoke about trainings, and it's very important that in today's fast changing world, our people are trained regularly when it comes to the soft skill or technical skills. While we have invested into the soft skills, because we want to grow the leadership pipeline in the organization, wants to groom our people on various aspects of leadership, various aspects of negotiation and communication. We also utilize and take the full benefit of Schneider training programs, online and offline. There are classroom programs, there are offline programs, and Schneider has launched IAD Reboost, a well-designed and focused approach of Schneider to build competencies and capability of our core and advanced sales team, which is EcoStructure machine and EcoStructure plant for catering OEM and end user respectively. So Rexel HR and Schneider HR drive this together to hone the skill set of our sales and technical resources. Software, sustainability, and services are three parameters which are part of EcoStructure Advanced, specialization in EcoStructure machine and EcoStructure plant along with motion robotics. Marketing initiatives like customer events, webinar, in-house and external seminars, social media campaign, product promotion support to leverage the maximum benefit. We are thrilled with good participation rate and response from our customers during these events. So these are the few examples that how do we utilize the training programs and also the marketing initiatives which Rexel and Schneider drive together, and various programs which we have launched for the customers. Some of them are for the specific market, some of them are for the specific customer set, and we take the full advantage out of it.
Well, Rakesh, you can certainly understand why the participation rate in response to your customers is so great. Amit, it seems that the program's combination and value pillars have significantly impacted the various aspects of your distributor's growth strategies. Continuing on the topic of advanced specializations, are you able to provide more insights into services and the values that this specialization brings?
Yes, Craig. So, services, advanced specialization, as we have designed the overall program with the end customer focus, with our services specialized IDs also, we want them to be very well positioned as the trusted advisors for the end customers. The most important thing is to focus on customer proximity and to become part of the customer success journey. Okay. Now, with the services advanced specialization, the focus with the partners is to sell advanced services such as modernization, eco consult audits, and digital services. Now here with these kind of solutions, the customers, they benefit in terms of avoiding the downtime, in terms of reducing the total cost of ownership, and with earlier issue detection, they can help reduce the maintenance cost and extend the lifetime of their equipment. So these are the benefits that customers get ultimately by working with our specialized services, advanced services partners. For our IAD partners, for our distributors, the biggest benefit of becoming service advanced specialized partners is that it will not just enable growth by recurring services business, but also through the transactional pull through that it drives. So overall, in a nutshell, super important to stay customer centric and to always work in close proximity with the customer to make them successful in their journey.
Amit, certainly talking about that proximity is so critical to that to accelerating that customer success journey. So, Rakesh, do you see alignment and opportunity in the services specialization, such as things like audits, modernization, digital services, and what specific services are you looking to prioritize, and what drives this decision?
So today, customer expectations are not limited to the product availability and delivery. While Amit talks about proximity, yes, in Indian market, proximity is key and very important. And therefore, we have the stock points at every location to serve our customer at a faster pace. But now customer behavior is changing. Beyond the product, they are looking for the solution and services. So they look for consultative services, upgradation and migration services. Customers also explore MRO and AMC services to ensure continuity in their business because they want to cut down on the breakdown time. They want to improve the productivity. Also, since customer is on digital transformation journey, they are looking for someone to guide and help them to achieve maximum out of this. At Rexel, we understand the need of customer and offer them the best suitable digital solutions.
Well, Rakesh, you've certainly demonstrated that how well you've guided your customers on their digital transformation journey. So Amit, we've only just begun to explore some of the opportunities within the Alliance Partner Program for Industrial Automation Distributors, and we're aware of the increasing pressures to expedite support for customers in their automation journeys. Are there any final thoughts on additional benefits that your customers can expect when working with your network of Alliance distributors?
Surely. So in a nutshell, if I have to say, customers should actually keep two keywords in their mind, that is trust and expertise when they are working with our Alliance IAD partners. So they are overall working with trusted partners who are experts in their domains. They have highly skilled and trained techno-commercial team members who are certified on Schneider's EcoStruxure products and solutions. And then our customers can find the IAD partners with huge experience on project execution on complex automation project on all key focus domains of the customers. Also, Schneider also enables right commercial and technical support to our Alliance IADs with the ultimate objective to provide the best experience to the customers.
We'll certainly, Amit, remember trust and expertise. If you, the two great takeaways for our listeners. So Rakesh, final thoughts from your side. Are there any additional opportunities that you would like to share on how the Alliance Partner Program supports growth and innovation, within the automation space, and what kind of value does that extend to your customers?
Craig, the summary is that scalability is the success mantra of all such initiative. We are together from 2017, and we have seen the many milestones being achieved during this period, and we have grown multifold in this journey with Schneider. We really started off well, and we need to make sure that we progress and achieve the intended milestone with investment of this program from both the sides. At the same time, as Rexel, we understand that the days coming ahead would be quite different than past, and therefore we have started preparing the organization for tomorrow, and therefore we are investing into the digitization of various processes, implementing tools, developing capabilities, and upskilling our people to improve our market and customer focus. We are committed to our goal, growth and diversification in coming years.
Well, Rakesh, you've done a great job of certainly defining the vision of Rexel India, and one of the reasons and some of the many reasons why it's been so successful with you and being part of the Industrial Alliance program. So I want to thank you, Rakesh. I want to thank you, Amit, for a great discussion today. In summary, for industrial companies, the value and importance of working with alliance partners that play a crucial role in their digital transformation projects has never been greater, and it really can be found in the intangibles. These areas include, industrial automation distributors, sometimes in conjunction with others from the partner ecosystem, showing their industrial customers their technical and business acumen to deploy solutions in the greatest pain point areas. The difference between success and failure of digital transformation projects completely depends on the quality of the alliance partner ecosystem. Schneider Electric, in conjunction with its alliance partners, is certainly setting its industrial manufacturing company customers up for success by not only increasing their productivity and profitability, but also increasing their sustainability and operational resilience, ensuring their long-term viability. I want to thank you all for listening today, and I wish everybody a great day. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Craig.
With you.